6 units in less than 6 months. That's 6 families that were displaced or didn't have homes or needed housing that are now going to be settled. It means a lot to us. It's a big deal. We worked with them right from concept to turnkey, and they've been great. They've been helpful. They've been patient with all my bugging. I'm not a construction guru, so it's like, Hendrik, what's wrong with this? Hendrik, what's the matter with this? So they've been really patient with me during this learning curve. They've been great. Quality products. We've been really happy with the quality. So this is our rapid housing project. It's 6 units that were put up. We started May the 3rd, and we're getting people in it for November the 1st. So definitely some rapid housing.
But I want to sign before it goes to Hollywood.
Hi, we're great to meet you guys, please. Nice to be here.
That'd be good for all your canning.
Yep, and then we have another pantry in here. Okay. Thanks for coming.